Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to show you how to shred it. So that's the inside. Here's the meat that I've already shredded. Inside, just take 2 forks. Okay, there it is. Put one in the chicken just to hold it. Take the other one, put it in the trash, baby. Just put it in the trash. And just go like this. And the reason we like shredding it really good is because if you see right here, there's a little bit of like tough, gristly area of the chicken. We can just take that off because we don't like the gristly part. So get back to just shredding it, and you can shred it up as fine as you'd like that, or you can make a bigger chunk like that. So little, big, whichever way you like it. John and the kids like it to be very shredded, so that's what I'm trying to do. Just do it as like a little crisscross motion with the forks at a pretty good speed. That way it gets shredded up instead of just falling off like this. Right here. And then you had to reshred it, so. Thought it'd be neat to show. That's the 2-year-old. Thought it'd be neat to show me cutting it up, but my camera's not working with me today. It's acting up. So, this is the best I got. Now, this was 3 chicken breasts. And we have a family of 7. 5 kids and 2 grown-ups. And it works perfect. Heck, sometimes we even still have some left over. So if you have a big family, it's something that could go a long ways. Sometimes with money being tight, meals that go a long way are really good. Especially on the holidays when you're really trying to save all of your money for, you know, the gifts and the food for the holidays. You just have this really easy to make meal. You just put it in the crock pot after you're done chopping it all up. And it'll just sit there all day. And then later when you're ready to eat, a nice hot meal. I'm going to make some sweet potato fries with it later. Of course, it's way too soon for that now. It's only 10 o'clock. And we won't be eating till probably 5 o'clock. Because our kids have an extra thing to do after school called stream. It's just like school but after. So you get to learn more hands-on with less kids. And they really like it. So they do that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So our dinner seems to be a little bit later than usual on those days. And it's earlier than some eat because John has to go to work. He leaves here at 6:30. Except for days where he has to go in early, which I forgot to ask him before he went to sleep if this is today. So I guess not. He didn't say anything. So what'll happen is at 1:45 I'll pick up our preschooler, and then I'll come back home, and at 3 o'clock I'll wake John up, which then he starts getting ready for work because after we go get the big kids from school, there won't be any time for him to come back home and get ready. So he'll get ready for work, and then at 5 we'll pick up our 3 big kids. One is in 2nd grade, one's in 4th, and one is in 5th. So then it'll take us about 15 to 20 minutes to get home. which then we'll have to eat dinner. I think it's very important to eat dinner together before he goes to work. I just feel like that's something special for a family to do, just to kind of, I know it's his beginning of his day, but it's the ending to ours. And so just to see how the kids were in school and have a little bit of talking and family time before he leaves. It's a very important part, especially when you have kids. That way, you know, you get a little bit of time with them. With school and work, it's just like the days just go by so fast. And you don't always get to just catch up. So dinner time, that's what we do. We have all the electronics off. There's no TV, no phones. And it's just us 2 adults and 5 kids sitting around the big table, eating dinner, talking about our day. Sometimes laughing, sometimes crying. Depends on how the day went, what happened, with who. It's just a really good moment, and I think the kids like it too, because then they'll have something to look forward to and to remember, you know, as they get older, have their own family. All that noise in the background is the 2-year-old who's found the cardboard box that my new crock pot came in. And kids with boxes. I don't know what's up with that, but they love it. They love cardboard boxes. So we wanted to try a new barbecue sauce that we found. Oh, we do this. That's why we're having this. This chicken, which I know most people do pork, and I'm good with the pork. However, John doesn't like barbecue pork. He's very picky when it comes to food. He's very, very picky. He claims he's not, but he is. If you ask to be around him every time he eats, he's very, very picky. I'm getting down to the ending of my chicken. I'm not going to eat that part because it's got a little bit of gristle on the backside, so I think I'm done chopping. I'm just going to lay my forks to the side. Lay this gristly part to the side too. Hey buddy, can you throw this in the trash? Here babe, throw this in the trash. Sometimes he's a handy helper. Alright, by the way, this is the new crock pot we just got. We just had a plain black one, so now it's Mickey Mouse. Here's the barbecue. Now I'm going to add my last chicken that I shredded up to it. Okay. And then I will stir it up. And then I believe I'm going to have to add more barbecue. No, baby, leave that alone. Right. Set my cutting board to the side. Right. Yes, definitely going to need more barbecue. So far there's 2 barbecues in here. I'm going to add another, because that is not enough, so let me grab it. All right, my last barbecue going in. I think I'm gonna save a little bit, just to put on top at the end. And I'll show you the barbecue in just a minute. Yeah, that's enough for now. We'll check up on it later. This is what it looks like at 11 o'clock, an hour after it's been cooking. Nice barbecue chicken. So that's 11 o'clock. And this is 12 o'clock. See how it's boiling? The barbecue sauce. Looking yummy. I'm going to just stir it up so it doesn't stick. It is 1 o'clock. This chicken has been cooking for 3 hours. It looks yummy. So stir it up here. Ooh, see that? That's the steam. You just want to get in there really good so it doesn't stick. And we'll see it again at 2. So this is at 2 o'clock. Just got home from getting the preschooler. Hold on, babe.
Where is it? Where is it?
So we'll check back at 3 o'clock. And this is the final product.
Well, the fire can work you.
Look at this yummy barbecue chicken.
Right there.
What do you do if the fire is
I'm
on?
gonna put it on a
I take my
brioche bun.
Well, we get
You stop, you drop, and you roll.
Put it together.
why?
Because it'll put the fire out.
But the fire can
Yeah,
cannot.
it will.
Cannot. I do not move.
You try to get out of one of the doors.
We don't have 2 doors.
We do got 2 doors, one right there, one right there.
And then we're gonna have some
We got one in the
potato wedges on the side.
That does go outside.
We already have one.
So that is dinner.
Right there.
Hi, fire's red.
Yeah, and blue, and yellow, and
That is what that looks like after cooking all day.
That's not how it was.
That shredded chicken
orange. Fire?
that we did earlier
Fire's not orange and blue.
with the 3 things of barbecue sauce.
What?
You want that?
Is that?
Yeah, you
And after all day, it's done.
bet.
A bet.
Yeah. Hey, oh man. My life be like,
No, I just want to know what you thought of dinner.
I thought it was really good. I thought it was good. I don't really care too much for Dukes mayonnaise, so the barbecue's a lot better than mayonnaise. I like the barbecue sauce.
And I told him how picky you were about, you know, you like it to be shredded good. And
Yep.
you won't eat pork barbecue.
Yeah, pork. I don't like pork because it's like slimy. Ugh. Who wants to eat slimy meat?
Maybe you've had it cooked wrong.
No, it's always got that fat all in it all the time, like pork fat. You know, we make pork rinds out of that, not barbecue.
All right. So dinner was good.
Although they make barbecue pork rinds. But anyway, yeah, it was good.
Alrighty, now we're on the way to pick up the kids.
Whoa.
Wow, and people cannot drive.
And it was an old man with white beard.
Okay. Wait, one's coming this way. Okay, so
Yeah.
that was
You would
that.
think someone with that white beard would be able to drive by now.
Well, there's 3 coming.
Usually it's
4,
only one.
5.
Wow. Didn't I tell you this road has gotten a lot more busy?
7.
I'm telling you, everybody from every other state is moving to Tennessee. And they're going, you know, I was thinking I'd like to move to Dandridge or Newport or, you know, somewhere around wherever I live.
All right, so apparently Mr. Picky wants you to stay off of this road.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I used to be able to go to the end of my road and just go ahead and pull right out. Look at this. You see this traffic? Look at this traffic. It was never here. You might see 1 or 2 cars going down the road, and now it's like, bunch of daggone cars.
So today was a good day. You had some good dinner, and now you're going to be going to work soon.
Yeah, story of my life. Somebody's got to do it.
Until next time.
Bye, everybody.